Hello and welcome back, guys. Once again, we are back with another topic in Python programming. Without any further delay, let's jump into our code. What is the output of the following code? I'll just type the code. You just watch it carefully. A, that would be equals to true. B, this is another variable which is equals to false. And then C, and this is also equals to false. Okay. Then I'll apply if condition here. If not A or B, print 1. Okay. Or else if not A or not B and C, print 2. Else if not A or B or not B and A, then print 3. Or else print 4. Okay. So this is today's code. So this is based upon the precedence order of Python programming. It's just very simple. Okay. You just figure out what output we're gonna get in this code. You have 5 seconds. Just start figuring it out. So it's 3, 2, 1 and go. I'm running the code. Yeah. So this is today's code and this is your proper output of that. So see, we got 3, right? Yes. Well, just need to use preceding order of Python here. So basically, what is this preceding order? So the preceding order will be like I'll explain you this in Notepad. So preceding order, right? In preceding order, at first we would get not, and then and followed by or. Okay. So our first preference would be at not, and then and followed by or. Okay. So using this preceding order concept in Python, this code is got validated. Okay. So this code is set as true statement. So that's the reason we got the print value as 3. So if you tally out here, it would be a false statement. This is also false statement, but this would be a true statement. That's the reason we got print 3. Okay, I'll explain you this why we got that as true. So just keep them like this itself. So what was the third code? Else if not. Okay, not for, even I'm writing it in capital letter for your clarification. A or B or not B and A. So this is your code, right? So ignore this else if. I'll explain you this line itself here. Yeah. So at first we need to focus at not, right? So basically, just a second, I'll write the values A, B, C. A is true, B is false, and C is also false. Okay. So at first we need to solve this not. Okay. So not A. So generally, what is the value of A here? It's true, right? So not A means what we would get. So not true means it is false, right? So now this not A will be false. So keep this OR aside And what is B? It is false, right? Okay, false. And keep this OR aside and not B. So initially B is false, but not B means not false. That means it is true. True. And keep and aside once again. And what is A value here? True. So A would be true. Okay. Yeah. And after not, then we need to go to AND function. Okay. So write this as it is, false or false or okay. True and true. What we're gonna get if we apply true and true? We will get true itself. Okay. True. Yeah. And our AND statement AND is completed, and we are left over with OR, right? So let's figure out that also. False or false, we would get false itself, and remaining or true. Okay. In a statement, if we have false or true, basically the output we're gonna get is a true output. That means we will get true itself. Okay. So at the end of this code, we are getting it as true value. Okay. See, we are getting this as true. That's the reason it is entering into this loop. So after entering into this loop, we got a statement print 3. So that's the reason we are getting a proper output as 3. So with the same approach, you just check it out for if this first loop and the second one, you would get the false statements here. Just a second. You'll get false here and you will get false here. So as you are getting a false statement here, the code will not enter into this loop. It will be jumping to this else if part, and it would be checking it here. So as this is also a false one, it will not enter into this loop, and once again it is going to come here and it will be checking all this code. So as we have completed here, we gotten our output as true, right? So as it is true, it will be entering into this loop, and in this loop we have given a command that print 3. So that's the reason we got print 3. If this code is also a false one, it will be printing 4. Okay, so that's the concept here, guys, and that's it for this code. I hope you understand this logic properly. If you have any doubts, you just comment it in the comment section. So let's meet in another video. Thank you.